So for this problem, to find the missing terms of the geometric sequence, so from this given, and using this formula, the geometric sequence formula to find the missing terms. So from this given, the first term is a sub 1 and the last term is a sub n. Then the second term is a sub 2. This is a sub 3 for the third term. Then a sub 4, a sub 5. So from this formula, first, we need to find the common ratio. So since a sub n, or the last term, is 3072, then equals a sub 1, the first term, that's 3, then times the common ratio, then for n, the number of terms. So since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, therefore n is equal to 6, then minus 1. Then to solve for the common ratio, so divide both sides by this number, so divide by 3. To cancel now this 3. So this 3072 divided by 3. So we have 3072 divided by 3. So that's equal to 1024. So this is 1024 then equals, this is r to the power 5. Then to solve for r, since the exponent is 5, so we just need to multiply both sides by the exponent 1 over 5. And also this one raised to 1 over 5. So we can cancel now this exponent. So we have now r equals, so for this 10,024 to the power 1 over 5. So we have 10,024 then to the power, open parenthesis, so you can input 1 divided by 5 or 1 over 5, then close parenthesis, so equal, so that's equal to 4. So this 1024 to the power 1 over 5 is equal to 4. Therefore, the common ratio is equal to 4. Then this time to find out the missing terms. So for the second term, so this is equal to a sub 1 times the common ratio. Since the first term is 3 times the common ratio is 4, so therefore the second term is equal to 12. Then to find the third term, so this is equal to the second term or a sub 2 times the common ratio. So since the second term is 12 times the common ratio, that's 4. So this is equal to 48. So the third term is 48. Then to find the fourth term, that's a sub 4 equals, so this is equal to the third term or a sub 3 times the common ratio, or this is 48 for the third term times the common ratio is 4, and this 48 times 4, this is equal to 192. Then the fifth term, so this is a sub 5 equals, so we have a sub 4 times the common ratio. Then the fourth term or a sub 4 is 192 times the common ratio. So therefore the fifth term is 192 times 4. So that's 768. So the fifth term is 768. Then the sixth term or the last term, so the last term is 768 times the common ratio. So if we have 768 times the common ratio, so that's 3072. So therefore, the second term is equal to 12. The third term is 48. The fourth term is 192. And the fifth term is 768.